Hi, my name's Tristan and I'm a Network Engineer Apprentice for Virgin Media O2.
Hi, I'm Stuart and I'm a Network Engineer for Virgin Media O2 in North London.
My journey started with VMO2 when I found myself going from job to job and nothing really held my interest. But now I find myself really interested in what I'm doing every single day because no day's the same. I could be sent a job that is completely different, 1 hour to the next, 1 day to the next, 1 week to the next.
After leaving my dream job, I stumbled across the apprenticeship with Virgin Media and haven't looked back since. The main thing that drew me to doing an apprenticeship with Virgin Media was the ability to learn and earn, as well as creating a new career for myself.
As well as being out on the road delivering service to our customers, I also get to take study days once a week. This is 20% of my off-the-job time, and in that time I get to build portfolios which really cements my learning. One thing I don't think you get in a normal job role is recognition. In an apprenticeship you can get recognition, and I myself was lucky enough to get some of that. I actually won Apprentice of the Year in the entire telecommunication industry. It's massively improved my confidence, not just at work, but in myself as well.
Problem solving and common sense are key parts of our job role that we use every day to quickly find and resolve faults.
Now, let me show you what we really get up to.